So good morning students. Today is Friday, that is 18th September, and we are studying lesson Khashaba Jadhav, correct? Yesterday we were studying about how he went to play Olympics and he played some matches in 1952. He wanted to win gold medal. So what he had done in 1952, the Olympics which were held in Helsinki, Khashaba Jadhav had to face which player? Russian player. And then what happened? He won the first 5 boots quite easily. First 5 boots means what? Meaning of boots yesterday I told you. Boots means what? Match. First 5 matches he easily won, but he won each boot within 5 minutes. Okay, in 5 minutes he played matches with the Russian and Gulf countries players, and within 5 minutes he used to win the match. Then what happened? After that he had to face the wrestler of Japan. Okay, I will read that paragraph for you. Here it is. Take out your page number 15. Then he had to face a wrestler from Japan. They were both well matched. The bout lasted for 15 minutes. Khashaba lost the match by just 1 point. He was exhausted after the bout, but he was asked to wrestle with the Soviet wrestler immediately. This was against the rules. According to the rules, Khashaba should have rested for at least half an hour before the second bout. Khashaba lost in the bout with the Soviet wrestler. Still, he had won a bronze medal by finishing third. Now, what is given over here? When he had wrestling with Russian player or a Russian wrestler, at that time within 5 minutes he had 5 matches with Russian and Gulf countries players or wrestlers, you can say. Within 5 minutes he used to win the match. But next time, or you can say on next day, when he had match with the wrestler of Japan, they both were well trained and match was going on for how many minutes? It was going for 15 minutes. And then who lost in that match? Khashaba Jadhav lost by 1 goal. Already 1 goal was made by, not goal, you can say 1 point was made by Japanese player, and he lost by 1 point. Okay, who lost? Khashaba Jadhav lost. Earlier, 1 day before, when he had match with Russian and Gulf countries players, what he did within 5 minutes he won all 5 matches. He had 5 matches 1 day before, and when next day match was there with Japanese player or wrestler, you can say, that time he lost by 1 point, because both were good players, you can say, or both were good wrestlers. Okay, next one. He was exhausted after the bout. Now, when match, I told you meaning of bout. Bout means what? Match. When he played match, he was exhausted. Exhausted means what? He was too much tired. I'll write down meaning of the word exhausted. Exhausted means what? He was tired, and immediately within 15 minutes he was told to play match with Soviet players. Soviet means what? Soviet is the name of a country. Okay, Soviet is the name of the country, and immediately within 15 minutes Khashaba Jadhav was told to play wrestling with the Soviet team's player, you can say, or the Soviet country's wrestler. Then it was against rule. Rule is made that if the player is playing a single game, he should be given at least half an hour break. He should get rest of at least half an hour. But Khashaba Jadhav, when he had match with Japanese player, you can say, or Japanese wrestler, immediately after 15 minutes he was told to have wrestling with Soviet player. Are you understanding? Then what happened further? Khashaba lost in the bout with the Soviet wrestler. He lost with Soviet wrestler. So he lost with Japanese wrestler. He lost with Soviet wrestler. Still, he had won a bronze medal by finishing third. He got which medal? He got bronze medal. Are you getting or not? He got third place in wrestling, and he won bronze medal after getting defeated from Soviet player. Soviet player defeated him. Then also Khashabaz Yadav got what place in the medals he got, or in prize he got third place in the prize, that is bronze medal. When Khashaba returned from Helsinki, many people honored him. The people in his village gave him a grand welcome. Even if he got bronze medal in Olympics, people of India were very happy because in 1952 our country had got bronze medal in wrestling, so everyone was very happy. Then what they did, just listen. The people in his village gave him a grand welcome. A procession of 151 bullock carts waited for him in his home village of Goleshwar. I told you, Goleshwar is what? It is the name of a village in Satara district. It is in Karad. Okay. The villagers carried their hero home to the sound of dolls. 151 bullock carts were waiting for his welcome, and when he came in Goleshwar, at that time he was told to stand on one of the bullock cart, and with the dolls and with the help of many other instruments he was taken happily to his house. Who was taken to his house? Khashabaz Yadav was taken to his house. Khashabaz Yadav did not forget this, who helped him. After winning the Olympic medal, he played the first bout to raise money, not for himself but for the principal who had given his house for sending Khashaba to Helsinki. The principal got his house back again. Now Khashabaz Yadav got bronze medal, he got lot of money. Then what he did when he came back to his country, means in India, when he came back to Satara, that time he decided that I will play match, or I will do wrestling for earning money. And he played a game, you can say, or he played a bout with some of the other wrestlers in India, and he earned money. And by earning money, he did not forget that the principal of Kolhapur College, what was the name of that college? Rajaram College. He had sold his house. Who had said? Principal of Rajaram College had sold his house. त्यांनी काय केलं होतं? त्यांचं स्वतःचं घर विकलं होतं. कुणासाठी? खशाबाज जाधवसाठी. त्यांनी स्वतःचं घर विकून खशाबाज जाधवला पैसे दिले होते. कशासाठी? He gave money to Khashabaz Yadav so that he can go and play Olympic games, because at that time government was not paying, or government was not sending, or was not spending money on the players to go in Olympics. Now it is very easy. Now government is helping the players for going, traveling money is given, staying over there. That also money is spent by government. Okay. And the last paragraph of the lesson, Khashaba won great honor for his country even when he did not have much help or facilities. Today, sportsmen have many facilities. Shouldn't we all try the best to win greatest honor for our motherland? Here it is told that Khashaba won great honor for his country even when he did not have much help. No one helped him. Only the principal of Rajaram College helped him by giving him money and said him, yes, you can go and play Olympics. This is money. You can spend this money for yourself, and you can spend this money for you to stay over there. Whatever days you are going to stay over there, you can spend this money. But today, sportsmen have many facilities. Government is spending lot of money on players. Those who go for Olympics, or those who go and play for our motherland, those who play for our nation, those who play for our country. Okay, in this way, one question is asked to you: shouldn't we all try our best? Yes or no? We should try. You should try or not? Your generation is very intelligent generation. You should try or not? You should try your best. Not only studying, you have to do study, no problem. But along with studies, if you are very good in games, You can tell your parents, please send me for coaching of cricket, send me for coaching of cricket, send me coaching for coaching of football, send me for badminton coaching, send me for tennis coaching. In whatever you are very good, you can ask your parents that I want to do something in the game in which I am very much perfect. Okay, and you can make your career in games. Correct or not? Many people are taking parts in state level competitions, national level competitions, then they go for international levels. That helps for what? That helps themselves to prove themselves that they are the best, and in this way you also try your best and make your motherland proud of yourself. Okay, in this way we have completed our lesson. Khashaba Jadhav was a wrestler from which district? He was from Satara. He stayed in Goleshwar village in Karad, and he played Olympics in 1952. He was the first person of India in wrestling who got gold medal. Keep in mind this all points, and I'm going to send you some question answers of workbook. Same questions are there in your exercise also. Okay, what you have to do? Same questions you have to write down in notebook also, and same answers you have to write down in your workbook also and in your notebook. Now, who takes part in the Olympic Games? Here also first question is same. Who takes part in the Olympic Games? What medals are given? Here second question is what medals are given in the Olympics? Here also second question is what medals are given in the Olympics? Where was Khashaba Jadhav born? Here also same is given. Where was Khashaba Jadhav born? Where was Khashaba Jadhav born? Can anyone tell? I had told you in yesterday's period. Khashaba Jadhav was born on 15 January 1926 in Satara district. In which district? Satara district. And if someone will ask you in which village, then you can say Goleshwar village. Okay. In this way, I will send you today question answers. You have to write down answers in your workbook. Then you have to remove your English notebook. In that you have to write down questions and answers of those questions. Okay. Thank you.